Dad, start mo na yung kotse.
Okay, this is the Sand Garden Hotel dito sa Tarlac during our Holy Week stay. Ayan. The pool. Okay, it's covered, and that's the thing. There's the owner. Hi, sir. Ayan ang guest. Isa sa guest nila. Ayan. Oh. Twin sila. Dalawa. Or isa lang. Oh, that's the design of the pool. It's a dolphin.
Wait.
Oh, wait. That's the coffee shop. It's Wi-Fi ready. So, okay lang, di ba? Yan ang coffee shop. Kung makikita nyo, nandun si Litas. Nakikipag-usap. Nakikipag-chikahan. Okay. Nag-reflect yata. Nandito ang front entrance. Yan. Okay naman siya. Yan. Sayang hindi ko nakunan yung rooms. Okay.